Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a fascinating hair growth treatment that's been making waves in the beauty tech space, the iRestore Elite Laser Red Light Therapy System. This FDA-cleared device promises to help with hair loss, thinning, and alopecia using advanced laser and LED technology. If you're tired of dealing with hair thinning or struggling to find effective solutions, you might want to stick around as we break down this device and see if it lives up to the hype. So, what exactly is the iRestore Elite? This laser cap utilizes 500 lasers and LEDs, packing a powerful 2,500 milliwatts of total power. Its triple wavelength technology at 625, 655, and 680 nanometers targets the hair follicles more deeply, ensuring a comprehensive treatment. Whether you're battling receding hairlines, pattern baldness, or thinning hair, this device promises to stimulate denser, fuller hair growth. It's designed to be a hands-free, at-home solution, offering a convenient way to tackle hair loss without leaving the comfort of your own home. Let's talk about how it actually works. The device utilizes low-level red light therapy, which is known to stimulate hair follicles and promote the growth of healthier, thicker hair. What's really interesting about this system is the large coverage area. Unlike handheld laser combs that only cover small sections of your scalp at a time, the iRestore Elite offers extensive coverage, hitting your hairline, temples, sides, and lower crown. And with its medical-grade padding, it ensures comfort throughout your treatment, even when you're using it for the full 12-minute session. Now onto the real-world testing and my personal experience. I've been using the iRestore Elite consistently for a few weeks, and it's actually been quite simple to incorporate into my daily routine. It's a hands-free system, so you can wear it while doing things like cooking, watching TV, or even cleaning, anything that doesn't require you to move your head too much. The device fits comfortably on your head, and I didn't experience any discomfort during use. But how does it feel? Well, it's incredibly lightweight, and since the device is designed for ventilation, I didn't experience any overheating or irritation on my scalp. It's easy to forget you're wearing it after a few minutes, and because it only takes 12 minutes per session, it's a fairly low-effort treatment. But the big question is, does it work? I'll be honest, it's still early days, so I haven't noticed any dramatic results yet, but the 3 to 6 months timeline is a key part of this product's design. Clinical studies do show that most users see visible improvements within this time frame, so I'm curious to see how it goes long term. The 6-month money-back guarantee is a nice touch if you're skeptical, though do keep in mind there's a 10% restocking fee after the first 30 days. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, this device offers extensive scalp coverage, which is a huge win over handheld laser combs. It's also easy to use, hands-free, and comfortable. Definitely a plus for anyone looking for a convenient solution. And of course, it's backed by clinical research showing that it can provide results. The fact that it's FDA-cleared gives it a sense of credibility, which is a big deal when it comes to devices for health and wellness. On the flip side, it's not an instant fix. Hair regrowth takes time, and the visible changes won't happen overnight. For some, that might be a deal breaker. Also, while the 6-month money-back guarantee is great, the restocking fee might make some people hesitant. Another consideration is the price. It's a hefty investment for some. So, if you're not sure whether it will work for you, it could be a financial risk. As for value for money, it really depends on how much you're willing to invest in hair regrowth treatments. Compared to some other devices on the market, the iRestore Elite is priced higher, but the extensive coverage and clinical backing might justify the cost for those serious about addressing hair loss. It might not be for everyone, especially if you're looking for something quick and cheap, but if you're committed to long-term treatment and want a reputable device, this could be worth considering. Now, if you're looking for alternatives, there are more budget-friendly options like laser combs or even over-the-counter treatments like minoxidil. These options may not offer the same level of convenience or coverage, but they're certainly worth looking into if the iRestore Elite's price tag feels too high for you. To wrap up, the iRestore Elite offers a comprehensive, clinically backed approach to hair regrowth with some serious technological advancements. If you're serious about treating hair thinning or alopecia and are willing to make the investment, it seems like a promising option. However, for those who want quicker results or are on a tighter budget, there are other treatments out there that might be better suited for you. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've used the iRestore Elite, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. We'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.